Hi, this is Barbara with Kaizink, and today we're going to go through what the customer sees when they go into their portal and how to swap over and look at different items, which was a question that was brought up by one of my customers. So what I've done here is I've gone into the portal for McDonald's. They have one order in progress, so they could click on that order, and this would show them the artwork there. If this was awaiting proof approval, we would see something different here, which would allow them to approve their proof, or they can view it and add comments to that. The part that was confusing was if they wanted to look at other orders when they have many orders going at one time, they didn't know how to do that. So what they can do is come up here to history and click on that, and that will show every order that they have. So then they could go into any of the orders that they have. They can click on view order details. They would see the artwork that is going with that. They can see if it is paid, everything about that order. They can also get their invoice here. So I will be sharing this with the customer to show them. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching.